In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Epic Games email and password. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Epic Games on your browser and sign in to your Epic Games account. Now, on the top right corner of your screen, go ahead and click on your display name and click on the account button, and this will redirect you to your account settings. Now, on your account settings, you'll be able to find your display name, email address, first name, and last name along with your address on Epic Games. So you cannot fully view your email address on Epic Games, but what you can simply do is to check your Gmail inbox for every account that you have to be able to find the specific Gmail that you've used for your Epic Games account. Now, to be able to view your password, just go ahead and click on the password and security. Then under the password and security section, you'll be able to find your password. And that's how you can simply find your email and password on Epic Games. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.